This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Liz Hall. Please join us for an open house Sunday, April 2nd, 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You don't want to miss this home. It has been remodeled throughout. From the completely new kitchen with granite countertops, brand new bathroom, to new LVP flooring throughout, to new paint, new wiring and plumbing, to the new opened up and spacious floor plan, no detail has been spared. This home is absolutely gorgeous. This ales is 2 adjoining lots with plenty of room for your family to enjoy the private yard. For more information, review the details below or contact Liz Hall at 865-584-4700.